we're here at the patch in Mililani. We're at City Mill today. I'm with one of their social ambassadors. I'm here with Dillyn. Last time we checked in, we were making repot, and today we're doing something a little different. We are repotting plants and then giving them out as gifts. So Dillyn, tell me a little bit about the process, what you do here at the patch.
Yeah, so for whenever I'm gifting a potted plant or even taking one home for myself, I like to replace the potting mixture with my own mix because a lot of the commercial potting mixes don't have enough drainage, so your plants end up sitting in water, collecting water, and then they die. So
Got it.
Don't want
I know all about that, and I want to make sure my plants are thriving. So can you give us some tips on how we're going to make that happen?
Yeah, so whatever I use, I like to take a little bit of any kind of potting mix that you can find here at City Mill, and then I'll add in black cinder and perlite. So both of these things act to add extra drainage. And then if your potting mix doesn't really have fertilizer, you can add in compost as well.
So once you pour it in, what do we do next?
So you can add in some water just to kind of help with the mixing. So you can kind of just put in a little bit of water like this. And then you can use a shovel if you wanted to. I just use my hands.
That's right.
But
okay.
You can kind of just mix it together like this.
Nice. What plants work best for this mixture?
This one is kind of a good general mixture, but if depending on the type of plant, you can add in more perlite, more black cinder for extra drainage, or if it wants less drainage, you just add in less. So you're kind of just playing with the ratios of those things.
Okay, now because this looks like so much fun, I'm gonna have to get my hands dirty because I just actually want to feel what it feels like. Okay, yeah. Oh, it feels very rocky, and so that's where it's gonna have like that filtering effect or drainage. Now you have some plants here on the table. Talk to me a little bit about what we've got. And this is gonna work good for pretty much all of these plants, right?
Yes, so for this one in particular, this anthurium, anthuriums are great to gift because one, they have these beautiful flowers and they're also a little bit more forgiving when it comes to caring for them. The only thing is, they come in this kind of spongy moss mix, which for anthuriums, they really like a lot of drainage. If I were to gift this to someone, I would probably just repot it into here in this plastic pot. And then you can go ahead and place it in a decorative pot like this. And then it's perfect for gifting, or if you wanted to just decorate your house with houseplants.
All right, after we repot the plants, what are some tips to keep them alive?
So main thing is you just want to be cautious of how much you water the plant. It's kind of a balancing act. You don't want to put too much water or too little water. So something you can do whenever you are caring for your plants is just a simple lifting up the pot. If it's really heavy, that means there's enough water in there. You don't need to add more. If it's like bone dry, really light, that would be a sign to water it.
And then for some extra help, maybe you're going on a trip and you need somebody to water your plants, but nobody can do it. This guy can do it, right?
Yes, so this patio drip watering kit is really good if you have a lot of potted plants, you're going on a trip for a while and you don't have someone to take care of them. This one has a timer and it'll self-drip water into your potted plants. That way you don't have to worry about hiring someone to come or asking a friend to come water your plants. So hopefully they'll survive a little bit longer while you're on your trip.
Nice, and if you have more plants, this is the small kit. They have a larger one that can take up even more space and take care of all the plants right there in your yard. You can hang them, you can put them on the ground, whatever you want to do, they can do it right here with this watering kit. So come on here to the patch. We're in Mililani City Mill. You can get all of this right here. We're going to have all the details on HiNowandDillyn.com. Thank you for joining me today.
Thank you.
Happy planting.